Welcome, everyone. Just outside the laundromat because I needed to do some laundry as our laundry room is being renovated for a while now. So I'm going to pack up all my clothes, bring it to the laundromat. It is extremely cold right now. It's, I think, like 21 degrees out and very, very windy. So since this is my first real video of the new year, I figured I'd start it off right at the laundromat. Going on at the moment. And just a little bit warmer in my vehicle. I have to go do some errands here at a good old Market Basket. But the video today is more about consistency because I need to be more consistent with video. So didn't have an opportunity really, so I had too much stuff going on to make a proper video. So I have to make videos to stay consistent with the algorithm, if that makes any sense. It is day 69 of No Shave November, so I'm probably gonna at least trim this down a little bit a little later on. So stay tuned for that great footage will be coming up. Like I said, I'm just trying to stay consistent. Maybe document a little bit of what I'm doing here and there. Try to make a video out of it. I am going to make a real video tomorrow, but I gotta stay consistent with the posting. So very, very eventful video this is going to be, I'm sure. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. One of these days, hopefully soon, these will be installed and no more laundromat. The laundromat wasn't a bad experience. And to use the word bone chilling would not be an over-exaggeration right now, because it is freezing. Now to unload all of this groceries and laundry. And I know a video I did a while back showed this giant ice cube melting. Not so much anymore. And like I wrote earlier in the video, gotta shave the beard off. At least trim it up a little bit. If you've seen my short. Then you already know. I mean, it's a little less straggly. Oh, there was something else I was forgetting though. So, surprise, surprise, I shaved my head. And I cut myself. Just like when I shave my face. But yeah, a little reverse. A lot of people say, why would you shave your head in the winter when you work outside? Well, I'll show you why. Because these itch my head when I have hair up there. And this should keep my head pretty warm. Then I can wear it all the time. I take it off a lot because the itchy factor. So I probably won't shave my head for quite some time until I completely lose all my hair. Then I'll probably shave it all the time. For the time being, I'm gonna let it grow back in. This is just I haven't done it in years, so felt like shaving my head. I did a little Pedro Napoleon Dynamite thing. Only it wasn't because I was hot. It was just for other reasons. So, thanks for watching my kind of pointless video. If you're still here, I'm assuming you watched through. But it's about consistency. I gotta be consistent with making these videos. I always hate it when my hood goes to one side. I gotta be consistent making videos. So even though I did not brave the 0-degree wind chills to go to a mall or a walk or something of that nature like I usually do. It's cold, and I've been working a lot, so sorry. There will be more videos. I will be getting out there and doing things, even if it is freezing cold. It is winter. I have to stay consistent. Consistency. Yeah, yeah. Consistency is the word of this video. A word of the day. Also, I may be going back into the archives from things I filmed before I was on YouTube. So I may find some old video footage. I did look at some that, you know, I had lingering in the digital world there. And it's obviously not in as good of condition as nowadays because technology and all that. So I'm gonna go through some stuff. I mean, there's even video footage from just a couple years ago. I may be doing things like when I went to Florida a couple times. I wasn't really vlogging like this. Wasn't really talking to the camera, but you know, I might just stick some of that footage up because that's what I was hoping to do. This playlist is very random. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Lots more to come in the future. I'm up to 249. I need one more to get to 250, which I was hoping for by New Year's, but it's only a little over a weekend, and I'm just about there. So hit that subscribe button if you could. Thank you, and peace.